Hi guys! Welcome back sa YouTube channel ko. So for today, magsasagot tayo ng isang board problem coming from REE Boards August 2025. And this is from Engineering Mathematics, which is under ng Analytic Geometry. Pero before that, shoutout muna kay Mel Divine Montoya and kay May Sustioso. So nakikita ko lang naman na pinupost to sa mga groups, kaya nakita ko na isa siya sa mga tanong. Although napaka-basic nitong tanong na to, wag nating baliwalain kasi syempre sayang naman yung 1 point. Okay, shoutout din pala kay Future Engineers Mel Divine Montoya, and kay Engineer May Sustioso. And galingan nyo palagi mga Lodi Cakes and good luck sa career. So ito yung problem natin. The segment from -1, 4 to 2, -2 is extended 3 times its own length. The terminal point is blank. So the first thing that you have to do, mga Lodi Cakes, is to illustrate the problem first. So we have a point -1, 4, which is located sa second quadrant. And yung 2, -2 naman located sa fourth quadrant, in which these points are connected and then extended so that this is 3 times this one. Kasi nga sinabi 3 times its own length. So let's say this is x, although hindi naman siya drawn to scale, this is 3x. And we are asked to find point P. So yung unang ituturo ni Sir IJ sa inyo mga Lodi Cakes is yung concept na tinatawag natin na division of line segment. Okay? So we have what we call as the division of line segment. Ano po ba yan, Lodi Cakes? Okay, division of line segment. So let's say meron tayong initial point and we have a terminal point, and we have a point in between those two lines. In between those 2 points rather, not necessarily dun sa ano natin, guys, sa midpoint natin. Basta in between lang siya. Pwedeng malapit dito, gitna. Basta in between. So, ang concept kasi ng division ng line segment is, let's say we are looking for the coordinate in between x, y, and we have x sub 1. Let's say, we assume this one be x sub 1, mga Lodi Cakes, and y sub 1, and the terminal point be x sub 2, y sub 2. So, the concept of the division of line segment is the coordinates in between them is given by, so let's say this is x, y, mga Lodi Cakes. So, this is the classical approach. Pero syempre may tuturo si Sir IJ sa inyo na mas mabilis. So meron tayong x equals x sub 1 plus r multiplied by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Whereas y is equal to y sub 1 plus r multiplied by y sub 2 minus y sub 1. Sir IJ, what is r there? Yung r kasi natin dito, guys, is yung ratio nito. Let's say ito yung gagamitin nating reference point. So the first thing that you have to do is to set a reference point. Usually, ang ginagawa ni Sir IJ, siniset niya yung nasa left side. Pwede rin naman dito, pero kung general na lang, doon lang tayo sa kaliwa. So, let's say, this is our reference point, which is our x sub 1 and y sub 1. So, yung r na tinatawag natin is the ratio nito over the total. Tandaan natin siya, ito over buo lagi. Kumbaga, kung ano yung pinanggalingan natin, at yung point in between, over the total. Hindi po siya ito over ito It's ito over buo. Okay? So since ito x, ito 3x, so yung gagamitin nating r will be x. Ito yung length niya kasi galing sa reference all over the total. X plus 3x, that is 4x, or that is simply equal to 1 over 4. Right? And kapag nakuha na natin yung 1 over 4, everything seems easy na po. So yung x natin dito will be equal to 2. So magiging substitute lang natin, guys. We have 2 equals x sub 1, which is -1, plus r, which is 1 over 4, multiplied by x sub 2, which we are looking for, x sub 2 minus the x sub 1, which is -1, so that will be plus 1. Simplify natin, computing for the value of x sub 2, we have 11. And for y naman, mga Lodi Cakes, so y sub 2 natin, so we have y, which is the middle. Tandaan po natin itong x, y, this is yung point sa gitna. I mean, in between the 2 points. So, -2 equals y sub 1, which is +4, mga Lodi Cakes, plus 1 over 4, multiplied by y sub 2 minus y sub 1, which is 4. Solving for the value of y sub 2, we have -20. So, although alam ko naman mga future electrical engineers, umiilaw na agad yung sagot na to, the correct answer is letter D. Pero may tuturo si Sir IJ sa inyo na discarte method. Sir IJ, what if nagbago yung given? Although, since question bank naman siya, madalas di nang nagbabago yung given, pero what if lang naman. And then, parang ano lang siya, binago yung given, pero same, na extended 3 times its own length. So yan guys, pwede nyo i-post para pwede nyo, pwede nyo kopyahin or screenshot. Okay? So ano yun ko lang guys, burahin ko lang to. So this is the concept of the division of line segment. Okay, paano naman yan Sir IJ? Sige, burahin ko lang to. Nakuha na natin siya using the concept of the division of line segment. Sinabi kasi 3 times its own length, gamitan natin ng diskarte. Ito yung tinatawag ni Sir IJ na reverse engineering. So ganito guys, makinig maigi ha. So ang gawin natin, paghiwalay natin yung x and yung y coordinates natin. So let's say meron tayo for the x, di ba ang nakalagay natin sa x is negative 1. Meron tayong 2 tapos hindi natin alam yung isa. Right? Kasi negative 1, 2 lang. So anong gagawin natin Sir IJ? Ganito guys, makinig. Since extended siya 3 times its own length, so first compute the distance between these 2 points. 2 minus negative 1, so that is positive 3. Minus lang natin guys ha. So that is 3. Ibig sabihin kung 3 to, dapat ilan to? Since 3 times its own length, 3 times 3, that's 9. So ang gagawin natin, mag-add lang tayo ng 9 dito. 2 plus 9, therefore x equals 11. So dapat ito kasi guys 9. So 2 plus 9, kaya naging 11 siya. Right? So doon naman tayo sa y. So 4, negative 2, and then yung y sub 2 natin. So this is for the y coordinate guys. Okay, ano distance ito guys? Directed distance na lang tayo para mas madali. Negative 2 minus 4, negative 6. So kung negative 6 to, ibig sabihin ito negative 18 kasi times 3. So this is negative 18, negative 2 plus negative 18, therefore y is equal to negative 20. Ganun lang siya kadali. Kung baga iisipin mo lang, 2 minus negative 1, 3. Times 3, 9. 9 plus 2, that's 11. Negative 2 minus 4, that's negative 6. Times 3, that is, okay, negative 18. And then negative 2 plus negative 18. Therefore, the correct answer is letter D, 11, negative 20. And yun guys, sana na-refresh kayo somehow for this type of problems. And ayun guys, if ever you have questions or clarification with regards to our solutions, feel free to comment on the message or comment sa comment section mga Lodi Cakes. And ayun guys, good luck din pala dun sa mga nag-take. I hope na this week electrical engineers na kayo, and I hope you all the best mga Lodi Cakes. God bless you always, and sana palagi niyong suportahan yung mga platforms na meron tayo sa YouTube, sa TikTok, and even sa Facebook natin. And ingat kayo palagi guys. Happy weekend kasi bukas holiday pa rin. Bye-bye.